Hello, in this video we will show several functions in R for creating sequences. So we go to RStudio, and first, if you want to create a simple sequence with integers and with the increment 1, so we can just use, for example, 1 colon 5. So the result is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we can also, for example, assign this result to an object. So this object A will be a vector. And we will show A. A is a vector with 5 elements, the sequence. And if we want to create an integer sequence, for example, 1 to 5 with a gap 2, so we can use the seq function from 1 to 5 by 2. So the result is 1, 3, 5. And of course, we can also assign the result of this function to an object called B. And B is a vector with 3 elements. And if we want to create a sequence with a repetition of specific numbers, for example, we will create a sequence of 5 elements, and each of them is 1. So we can use rep, rep means repetition, rep 1 times 5. So the result is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. And of course, we can just write rep 1, 5. The same with 5, 1 are created, and the result is a vector type. Thanks for watching.